पढ़ाई करो तैयारी जीत की. Welcome to our current affairs channel. Today we will talk about ARIA. Atal Ranking of Institutions on Innovation Achievements 2021 was released recently. Atal Innovation Rankings 2021 classifies participating institutions into two major categories, technical and non-technical. Further, these rankings have been divided into 7 subcategories. Technical. Top 3. This is the third time that IIT Madras has secured the first rank. IIT Bombay and IIT Delhi were placed at the second and third ranks respectively. Non-technical institutions. The top central universities under this category include Indira Gandhi National Open University, IGNOU, Delhi, and the Indian Institute of Management, Kozhikode. The rankings have been prepared after evaluating the participating institutions under 9 parameters. These are: first, developing an innovative and entrepreneurial mindset through a series of activities. Second, teaching and learning, academic programs related to innovation and entrepreneurship, and IPR offered by the HEI. Third, dedicated infrastructure and facilities to promote innovation and entrepreneurship at HEI. Fourth, generation of innovations, ideas with the support of HEI and recognition received. Fifth, ventures established with the support of the HEI and recognitions received. Sixth, angel and venture capital fund or investment mobilized to support innovation and startups incubated at HEI, promotion of collaboration for and co-creation of I&E initiatives, that's innovation and entrepreneurship initiatives. Seventh, intellectual property, generation and commercialization. Eighth, annual budget on promoting and supporting I&E activities, total expenses towards I&E and IPR support activities, total revenue generation by HEI from incubation services to startups, and commercialization of IP and innovations. And last but not the least, the 9th parameter is participation of HEI in I&E initiative of MOE. About ARIA. It is an initiative by the Ministry of Education, implemented by AICTE and the Ministry's Innovation Cell. The objective: to systematically rank all major higher educational institutions and universities in India. The significance: ARIA ranking will inspire Indian institutions to reorient their mindset and build ecosystems to encourage high quality research, innovation and entrepreneurship. More than quantity, ARIA will focus on quality of innovations and will try to measure the real impact created by these innovations nationally and internationally. ARIA rankings will also set tone and direction for institutions for future development, for making them globally competitive and in forefront of innovation. That's it on this topic for today. Stay tuned for regular updates and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. पढ़ाई करो तैयारी जीत की.